So this one we are going to change quite a bit. Like, we're actually going to just start over on this one. And so we're going to have a plain white banner. And just like before, we're actually going to model it after this one. So it'll be the same dimensions as this one, so the same width and the same height. But it's just going to be a white banner with a download button. I want it to be pretty much like the same coloring as this one. I want this to be white banner that fades. See how this fades into a darker color? So we'll make it fade. But the font we're going to use is the same. We're going to use Optimus Princeps on this one too, because we've used Optimus Princeps on every other area of our website, so we might as well make it consistent. So this is going to be Optimus Princeps and the same color of orange that's on this as well. We want to keep that same color of orange that matches our website. So yeah, we want to keep everything exactly the same as before. But so what we're going to do is put this picture, see this picture that's on the book, this picture we're going to put right here. It'll take up this area of the banner. Like I said, it's all going to be white. So do that area of the banner. Then the words will be all around, and I have new words that we want to put. The words are going to be centered on the website, and then we're going to have a smaller picture of the ebook, and if we could put that ebook at an angle, just like this one here, you know, or even put it at the opposite angle, going this way, kind of like that, facing that way, and we'll use this picture for the ebook. So just again, so on this side of the screen, up in this corner, will be the big picture of this, and so that picture will go right there. The words will kind of go around it centered, and then on this side we'll have the ebook kind of slanted that way to the right. We'll have it slanted. The opposite direction of this one. Again, it's going to go white to faded. And then I want that same, put that same download now button right, it's going to be right there. So put that same download now button right there, and I will send you over the text to put on there. So just one more time, so the big picture goes right there. We want to put this ebook on an angle right here, and all the words will go in the middle on Optimus Princeps, and then there will be a download button right there. And that's all the instructions, and then of course the background is going to go from white to faded, like grayish. Just the same on there. Oh, one last thing I left out. I'm sorry. Somewhere on this book I want a little button, or somewhere on this banner, wherever you can find it that looks good, I want this little button here. Maybe make it this shape. I want it to say, as seen on K-Talk Radio, because this ebook's going on a radio talk show, and so maybe if we can make something like as seen on, and that's their logo, K-Talk Radio, and make the button like that shape. So I'm sorry to confuse you to add that to it too. But put that somewhere on the banner. So again, big picture goes right here, boom. You know, that one goes right there. Ebook's going to go smaller on this side, tilted to the right. And the words are going to go in the middle. And then somewhere, if we can write as seen on, or as seen on, or gosh, as seen on, is that the right? Because it's as seen on K-Talk Radio, or as heard on K-Talk Radio, I'm sorry, and then make that into a star like shape. Obviously it'll be quite a bit bigger, like, you know, but if you could put that somewhere on the banner, little smaller, you know, and I hope that all makes sense. If it doesn't, just let me know and I'll try and make it sense for you too. So sorry about the longer video and the long explanation. Thank you for all your hard work. I will give you a bonus as soon as this one is done. Thank you.